Hello, and welcome to Mega Factory. On today's journey, we are diving into a tasty mystery. Have you ever wondered exactly how a giant king crab gets from the freezing ocean all the way to a luxury dinner plate? Well, today we are stepping inside the most advanced processing plant in the world to find out. From the catch to the cold storage, the technology here is incredible. So come along with me, and make sure to stay tuned until the very end, so you don't miss a sneak peek at the amazing adventures we have coming up next. Start by imagining yourself out here, in the middle of nowhere. It's brutal, it's freezing, and quite honestly, it's one of the most dangerous workplaces on Earth. These crews are battling the elements to drop massive steel pots into the dark, icy depths, hoping for a strike. Down below, in the silence of the ocean floor, it's a different world. It takes a while, but eventually, you see them swarming, hundreds of these giant, brownish red creatures drawn into the trap. When the call comes to haul it up, the tension is palpable. That winch screams as it pulls up a fortune from the deep. And just look at that reveal. The pot breaks the surface, absolutely overflowing with life. Things speed up. We've moved from the wild ocean to a marvel of modern engineering. Watch how this massive suction pump acts like a giant vacuum, gently lifting the king crabs right out of the ship and onto the conveyor. It's mesmerizing to see thousands of them, still sporting that natural armor, flowing like a river into the factory. It's an endless maze of stainless steel in here. Before anything else happens, they need a bath. You can see them tumbling into the cleaning tanks where high-pressure jets blast away the ocean grit and mud, leaving the shells pristine. As they climb the belt, automatic bars nudge them into perfect alignment. In a split second, they are stunned and processed. Circular blades move with incredible precision, separating the legs from the body. While the bodies are sent off for other uses, our focus is on those prize-winning legs. They drop onto vibrating conveyors where eagle-eyed workers give them a quick once-over, ensuring only the best make the cut. This is my favorite part, the transformation. We're about to witness some culinary magic on an industrial scale. Those brown legs disappear into a massive steam tunnel, and what happens inside is intense. High-pressure steam blasts every inch of the shell. When they emerge on the other side, just look at that difference. They've turned a vibrant, brilliant red. It's the classic king crab color we all know and love. But we can't let them keep cooking, or the meat will get tough. So splash. They are immediately dropped into a brine tank for flash cooling. It's a thermal shock that stops the cooking process instantly. You can see them gliding underwater, cooling down rapidly to lock in that perfect texture. The legs enter these roller machines that gently crack the shell just enough to fracture it without damaging the prize inside. Then, a high-tech water jet slices a perfect line down the leg. Watch this. Rippers pull the shell open, and a burst of compressed air literally pops the meat right out. It's incredibly satisfying to watch. You get these solid, beautiful sticks of pure white and pink king crab meat landing softly on the belt, while the empty shells are whisked away to the grinder. But we aren't done yet. The meat is spread out on a vibrating table for inspection. We're talking high-tech safety here. Lasers scan every inch of the surface. To keep this meat tasting like it was just caught, we have to freeze it fast. The crab sections win their way up a spiral freezer tower. Inside, the temperature is Arctic. The frozen legs slide through a curtain of water. Because the crab is so cold that water freezes instantly on contact, creating a crystal clear coat of ice. It's like a protective shield against freezer burn. After a quick trip through a second tunnel to set the ice, they clatter into the weighing hoppers. It's loud, it's fast, and it's precise. As soon as the weight is hit, the trapdoor opens, and a fresh batch drops into the box, ready for the world. We are in the home stretch now. The packaging line is a symphony of automation. Machines build the boxes, and conveyors rush them to be filled. Notice the vacuum sealers? They suck every bit of air out of the bags to ensure maximum freshness before the heat bars seal the deal. Labels are stamped, tape is applied, and the boxes are stacked. It's amazing to watch the mechanical arms build a perfect cube of boxes on a pallet, wrapped tight in plastic film. Forklifts whisk these pallets into a cold storage warehouse that feels more like a frozen cathedral. Shelves towering 50 feet high, holding tons of premium seafood. But they don't stay here long. They're loaded onto refrigerated trucks, disappearing into the night. From the highway to the runway, cargo planes are waiting to fly these king crabs to every corner of the globe, while the rest of the world sleeps. And finally, this is what it's all about. Back in a warm kitchen, a chef cracks open a thawed leg. The meat slides out, whole, white, pink, and absolutely flawless. Plated on ice with a simple wedge of lemon, it's a culinary masterpiece. It's been quite a journey, from the stormy waves of the Bering Sea, through the fiery red transformation in the factory, all the way to this plate. As the factory smokestacks keep pumping in the polar night, we know the cycle continues, bringing the taste of the ocean to tables worldwide.